Hi kabahay! New Year, New House. So this property is available for sale. This is located lamang here at the Palace Athena, here in Barangay Anabu, Imus, Cavite, in front only of Pure Gold Anabu, and few minutes away lamang ito sa Vermosa. Kaya kung ikaw ay interested, tara, let's check this property. So before we enter mga kabahay, please appreciate our frontage area. So may mailbox tayo dito. Ito ang pedestrian gate natin. And of course, ito naman ang ating carport area. So sa carport area natin, ito pong ating fence and gate is included sa ating turnover. Ito rin po is ready for automation and it can fit up to 2 cars. Tara kabahay, let's check our property. So dito sa porch area natin, meron tayong 3 steps going to the main door. Meron tayong pocket garden on both sides. So on this area mga kabahay is the carport area. So as you can see, meron tayo ditong non-skid tile sa ating flooring. Ang ating ceiling po is made from PVC and meron ito included na strip lights kaya may highlight tayo dito during night times. Tara dito tayo sa ating setback area. So sa setback area natin mga kabahay, meron tayong mini garden and of course meron tayo ditong sliding door. By the way, itong sliding door na to is access going to the bedroom number 1 dito sa ground floor. Dito naman sa ating next sliding door is the access going to the dining area. Tara, dito naman tayo mga kabahay sa ating service area. So dito sa service area natin mga kabahay, makikita nyo covered po itong laundry area natin. Pwede itong gamitin din as dirty kitchen area. Included na rin po ang water tank natin and meron na rin po itong pump booster. Welcome mga kabahay sa ating property. So as you can see, ang ating main door is made from solid wood. Meron tayong smart lock na included. And of course, makikita nyo kung gaano kaluwag at spacious ang ating living area. And please appreciate the high ceiling and the wall accent na meron ding mga strip lights na included. On this area naman kabahay ng ating living area, this is 75 inches na TV which is also included, and then the split type aircon. May mga spotlights tayo dito na included also to highlight the living area. Tara kabahay, check na natin ang ating powder room. So dito sa powder room natin, ito po ay located under the staircase and ang good thing meron tayo ditong storage area na available. So as you can see, even the storage area may highlight tayo dito na strip lights. So tara, pasok tayo dito. So itong powder area natin, makikita nyo complete fixtures po ito. So since powder room lang po ito, mas maliit po ito than the usual size of the bathroom. Ito pong ating toilet seat is smart. So ito po ay kailangan isaksak natin kapag gagamitin. Check natin mga kabayan ang ating dining area. But before that, meron tayo ditong shelves on the side. So as you can see, napakaganda po nitong accent sa ating house. So ito po ang dining area natin. It can fit up to 10 or 8 seaters na dining table. Meron tayong malaking mirror dito. Meron tayong sliding window and the sliding door and the access natin going to the service area. So dito sa kitchen area natin mga kabay, as you can see, semi-furnished ang ating turnover. So dito sa side na to, meron tayo ditong small monitor. Ito po ay monitor for the CCTV. Meron tayo ditong Elba na cooktop and range hood. And of course, ang ating mga cabinets, meron tayo ditong naka-glass door. And then meron tayo ditong magandang kitchen sink. On this area naman, included din ang ating 2-door na refrigerator. This is LG. So meron din tayo ditong microwave and oven, which is Elba. On this area, ito po is mga cabinets pa rin po. So ayan, makikita nyo may mga ilaw din po ito sa loob. And then, of course, meron tayo ditong wine chiller. Itong wine chiller natin is also branded. This is made by Elba. Sa ground floor mga kabahay, meron tayong 1 bedroom with own toilet and bath. Tara, silipin natin. So dito sa ating ground floor bedroom, meron tayo ditong enough space for double size bed. And then meron tayo ditong mga magagandang built-in cabinets na included upon turnover. So ayan, meron tayo ditong soft touch na opening. So lahat po yan is included. May mga pull-outs din po dito. And another highlight dito sa ating ground floor bedroom, meron itong access going to the lanai area. So ito naman mga kabahay ang ating toilet and bath dito sa ating bedroom number 1. So sa bedroom number 1, as you can see, may malaki tayong mirror. Complete tayo dito with the lavatory, toilet seat, and meron tayong shower enclosure dito sa side. Going dito naman sa ating shower area. Tara, check natin mga kabay ang ating second floor. So ang staircase nga pala natin is made of concrete and solid wood. Meron din itong strip lights na included para additional guide para sa gabi. And then as you can see, ang ating high ceiling na located dito sa ating living area. Meron tayong malaking window na fix para sa additional lighting. So before we move mga kabahay sa ating mga bedrooms, please appreciate our view dito sa second floor. So as you can see, kitang-kita nyo ang living area and malaking ang window natin dito and mirror para sa additional accent sa ating living area. So before we check mga kabahay, we have a total of 3 bedrooms dito sa second floor, isang common toilet and bath, and sa ating master's bedroom, we have walk-in closet and own toilet and bath. Tara, check na natin ang bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 mga kabahay. So dito sa bedroom number 1 natin mga kabahay, kasya dito up to queen size bed. Meron tayong malaking sliding window. Also meron din tayo dito mga built-in cabinets na included, which is floor to ceiling ang height. Meron tayong vanity area. And another one, may naka-install na po dito na split type aircon. This is the common toilet and bath dito sa ating second floor. So as you can see, ang ating bathroom po is floor to ceiling ang height ng ating tiles. May shower enclosure, shower head. Complete pa rin tayo with the smart toilet seat and meron tayo dito ang lavatory area. Bedroom number 2 mga kabahay. So same as bedroom number 1, malaki po ang space natin and kaya mag-accommodate up to queen size bed. May malaking window tayo dito for ventilation and proper lighting. May naka-install na rin tayo dito na split type aircon and of course the vanity area and the floor to ceiling na built-in cabinets. Tara sa master's bedroom mga kabahay. So sa master's bedroom mga kabahay, as you can see, malaki rin po ang space nito. Pwede dito up to queen or king size bed. Meron tayo ditong headboard. And then of course, meron tayong access going to the balcony area. May naka-installed na din dito na split type aircon. And isa pa ang ating walk-in closet naman on this side. So dito sa walk-in closet natin mga kabahay, meron tayo dito malaking built-in cabinets and on this side naman is the master's toilet and bath. Ang good thing dito mga kabahay, meron tayong his and her na lavatory. Malaki ang mirror natin dito, shower area na merong shower enclosure. Tara, check na natin ang ating balcony area. So sa balcony area mga kabahay, makikita nyo sobrang laki ng space dito. Pwedeng-pwede nyo itong gamitin as family area. Even maglagay kayo dito ng sofa na pwedeng mabasa or pwedeng tumagal sa sikat ng araw. Pwedeng-pwede dito at malaki pa po dahil abot pa po dito ang ating balcony area. Nagustuhan mo ba kabahay ang ating property featured for this year? So kung ikaw ay interested, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. This is amounting to 15.8 million, located along Aguinaldo Highway here in Barangay Anabu, Imus, Cavite. Please send us a message. This is Juan Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching, kabahay.